Red just ripped up the carpet as we have to float the LVP, the luxury vinyl, from the main living area into here, which used to be carpet. Countertops, we had some old laminate countertops that they took off. When we order granite, they're ready to come in, they can get everything measured, and in one swoop, they drop the granite in place, mount it, and then from there you just plug in your plumbing fixtures and get everything else ready to go, right? Painting these old cabinets that are the older brown color, we take the Sherwin-Williams primer, which is super heavy duty, put that as your first coat. That gives you like a clean base, it's that primer base that you can paint over white, and then you don't deal with like scuffing it up with wear and tear in the future. For us, the wider cabinets are just a little bit more neutral and easier to work with. I messed with the gray cabinets for a while, but it started clashing with either my wall color, because the walls that we're doing are mostly grays and neutrals, and it also clashed with the granite. So just to keep it simple, cookie cutter, one size fits all, we always put our cabinets white, plus it's in right now. So that's some Luna Pearl granite, which Luna Pearl is a level 1 lower grade stone. But for those that are aware of what's going on in the granite industry right now, with COVID shutdown, majority of the lower end stones come from Brazil, the southern part of Brazil. Well, what's happening there is it's so chaotic and shut down, and COVID just crushed their production down there, that one of the suppliers is going bankrupt, and the second one is so backed up that Luna Pearl is going to be really hard to get your hands on moving forward. That's just a random fact for you guys. But other than that, once we get these painted, drop the granite, put new stainless steel appliances, and plug everything in, the kitchen should be ready to go. Should be a pretty good presentation. Let's take a quick look at the rooms. This really is a pretty small house overall. See, Red just ripped up the carpet as we have to float the LVP, the luxury vinyl, from the main living area into here, which used to be carpet. So he's got to pull up all these tacks and everything that was securing the carpet in between, so we have a clean slate, a clean layer that we can place the LVP on top. We got our master bedroom behind us, which you can see they've already got everything painted, ready to go. At this point, we'll bring Trevon, who's our carpet installer. He rips out the old stuff, plops in the new stuff, and then after that, ceiling fan, vent covers, fixtures, and we're good to go. See, the bathrooms are already in pretty good shape. Looks like they replaced the tub surround at some point in the past, so we're just going to keep the existing. This old Corian little vanity countertop, we'll leave that too. Put some new flooring in here, and we should be out pretty quick. So this is what we would call like a quick flip, quick wholesale, where we buy it, the house isn't in bad shape, just needs some upgrading, paint, carpet, countertops, fixtures, and we're out the door. Name of the game, as Red was saying, is speed, especially in this market. You want to try to get these houses to market as fast as possible so you can turn, burn, and move on to your next project. Is Chris here today?
Yeah, he's out there.
Sweet. So that one-car garage, I would consider this a starter home. Smaller 3-bed, 2-bath. It's only 1,200 square feet, a little less, which when you come in there, like the living space, kitchen, eating, dining room is all kind of in the same proximity. So again, it's for a beginner family, starter home for somebody that eventually, as the last owners, they outgrew it, right? So eventually, real estate is very situational. As you have kids, family, kids graduating, loved ones either passing away, parents getting divorced, whatever the case is, we deal with situational type of situations inside of real estate, which is where you find opportunities, right? Hey, I need to sell fast, right? Well, that story, there's always a reason behind the distress with the homeowner needing to sell quickly and why they're going to sell their house for a discount for cash, right? That's where we come in with the opportunity.